Hi, here is Julia with Keller Williams Realty, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour through this brand new constructed estate in Oakland, California. Follow me and I hope you enjoy it. So as we enter the property, what's really convenient in here is you have the first bedroom right here. So if you have a friend's family that's staying over, in-laws that don't want to climb any more stairs, this is just so optimal. It's perfect. And it's so spacious. So you got the first bedroom right here. There is a very convenient little storage area. You've got the closet and the bedroom. Full-on bedroom. A lot of people nowadays looking for a bedroom and a master bed in the first floor, so you've got it here. Here is the elevator, and you'll know it by the red door. So the elevator goes all the way from the first floor up to the fourth floor. In every floor, it stops there. So very convenient if you have groceries or you just started going up the stairs. So right here is the ground floor, as I would call it, but it's the second floor. As we go downstairs, down the stairs, this is the first floor with a two-car garage, and it gives you an extra room, which can be used for a study room or like a sport, yoga, or a gym. It does not have a closet though. After the second floor, we have the third and the fourth floors. So follow me. Okay, so right here is the third floor, and I love to say that it's one of the very important floors. As you see, the layout is very interesting. We've got the kitchen, chef's kitchen with this huge island with all these cabinets, like a cooker's dream. And check all these stainless steel appliances. Great dining area, very spacious, merges right into like a mini lounge area. If you will. And right here, one of my favorite corners. Check this out. Like perfect to chill, relax, look over the window, enjoy the day, have a glass of wine on a Sunday. And as we're going back to the kitchen, we've got the elevator door, the red door, and a nice sitting area right here. From the right-hand side, we have a half bath, and on the right, the mini room right here, it's going to be your laundry area. You can see the hookups right here, if you want to put any cabinets, and we have like a little wash area right here. On the fourth floor, right from here, as you take it from the left, the fourth floor is the last one. And that's where you have the bedrooms. So you have the master bedroom and then suites. Right here is a little office area, like place to sit and study. The elevator door is straight from here, so it gets you straight to the loft. And then, so you have the first bedroom with a bath. A little corridor. Here is the master. It's got its own balcony overlooking the street and the forest. And the master bathroom. Check this out. Stall shower, custom made, and a bathtub. And look at this big closet. So you have all this for both his and hers. And then as we walk in right here, this is the third bedroom. You have the closet and a full bath with an outside access. How fun! Here, where the property line is ending. So as you see here, the retaining wall, that's where it actually ends. So that's going to be the little backyard. Okay, so this ends our walkthrough today. Thank you for joining me. Like I said, the price was adjusted just under 1.3 million. Such a great deal for this amazing neighborhood right in the woods. If you know anybody that might be interested, I'm gonna leave my information down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and push the button like. Thank you.